Team Perez asked me if I could show how to do a blooper reel using transitions and sound effects. I tried to explain to him that I never make mistakes, but he didn't really... God damn it. I tried to explain to him that I don't really make mistakes, so I didn't really know what he was talking about. Hang on. Hello? I'm in the middle of filming a Filmora tutorial. If you want to learn how to do these transitions and make your own blooper reel and get a free clapperboard overlay, stick around. I'll show you how.
Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the conversation.
First, find the footage you want to use as bloopers. Try to cut it right where the scene begins and end it right where it falls apart. Don't leave too much extra footage in it or it'll lose the effect of just being an outtake reel. Once you have a few of your outtakes isolated, put a little more space between them, and in the upper left-hand corner, click on Media, and then Sample Colors. These are just blocks of color that you can bring down into your video to fill the screen for a variety of reasons. Today, we just want to create some separation between the shots, so what you want to do is choose white and bring it down into a track above your footage. The reason you want to do that is so that you can adjust the length of it to what you need and then drop it into your main track without having to move things all around. Once you have your pieces of footage all connected, then we want to add a sound effect to the white space between the footage. I'm going to use a simple sensor beep because I'm kind of used to hearing that in blooper reels I've seen in movies and such. Drop that into an audio track right under your white screen footage section and trim it to be the exact same length as the white section. Now here's something really cool. Often in movies you'll see a film slate or clapperboard they use to mark where the new scene begins. I couldn't find a free one I liked, so I made an animated clapperboard myself. Let's bring that down into a track above the main footage and align it to where the silence is. I made this clapperboard animation a little longer than it needs to be so that it can be trimmed at either end. Let's remove a little bit of the beginning and have it clap right at the quiet spot before I begin talking again. As you can see, it has a green background, which doesn't let the main footage show through. So in order to fix that, let's left click on our clapperboard footage, and then in the upper left, let's click on Video. And in the drop-down menu, select Chroma Key. The default color for Chroma Key is green, so the minute you activate it, it'll eliminate the background. You could also use the color selection eyedropper to choose the color to be eliminated. We can dial in the tolerance, the edge thickness, and feather to get the clapperboard to sit just the way we want it to. I'm giving away this clapperboard animated graphic for free to anybody who wants it. I'll post a link down below. We'll just dial that into where we want it, and voila. I tried to explain to him that I never make mistakes, but he didn't really... God damn it.